Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to reset Bumble account 2026. So to reset a Bumble account in 2026, the first thing you can do is cancel the subscription. You can cancel any Bumble Boost or premium membership to avoid charges. Now the second what you can do is delete your account. Just open your Bumble app and then go to your profile, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you go to your profile, tap on the gear icon, which is settings in the top of your screen. Now scroll down to delete account. Now select a reason and confirm deletion. While immediate recreation is possible, waiting 30 days is recommended to ensure your old data is cleared and to minimize the risk of shadow ban. Now, once you delete your account permanently, what you can do is create a new account. You can use a different email address or phone number for the new account. You can also use completely new photos, not just edited versions of old ones. Use a new bio and updated profile information. Avoid connecting to the same Facebook or Instagram account to prevent detection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.